Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because we've got our hands on the latest and greatest smartphone. I know you've been eagerly waiting for this unboxing, so let's not waste any time and dive right into it. Alright, here it is, the sleek and stylish packaging of the Samsung S23 FE. As always, the manufacturer has put a lot of thought into the presentation. And there it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. The lid slides off smoothly, revealing the phone neatly nestled in its protective packaging. But before we get too carried away with the phone, let's explore what else is in the box. Underneath the phone, we have the accessories neatly organized. Here's the charging cable, SIM ejector pin, and of course, the all-important user manual. It's always a good idea to give the manual a quick glance to familiarize yourself with the phone's features. Setting up the phone is a breeze of a process. All you need to do is press the power button to bring the phone to life and follow simple steps to set up your device for use. That wraps up our unboxing of the phone model. Stay tuned for the upcoming full review where we'll dive deeper into the features, performance, and overall user experience. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.